Hi guys, and welcome back to Making Gains with Unity. Today, I'm going to teach you on how to use continuous statement. If you want to know or to learn how to use continuous statement, please watch this video. Alright, on our last video, we used this break to break the whole statement. But now, we're going to use continue. Continue is perfect if you want to skip some index of your loop. For example, right now, I'm going to move this debug log first in here, and then I'm going to put continue here. It means on this condition that when our index is equal to 5, it will skip this for loop. It means it will count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 6, because when it detects the I is equal to 5, it will just skip it. We can go to Unity to see that. We can hit play, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and then it will continue until 100. Back to our code. So in here we see that I is equal to 5 and we skip. So if you want to skip the number 10 instead, right, we can do that. We can go to our Unity project again, and then we can clear this one and then hit play. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, no 10, 11, and then 100. So yeah, that's how you use continue statement. So if you want to skip some index in your for loop, continue is a perfect thing that you can use. So yep, that's it. If you want to learn more about C# and Unity basics and Unity tips, you can check our other videos on our channel. And again, if you're just new here, please subscribe and please hit the notification bell so that you'll always get updated when we upload a new video. And again guys, I hope you learned something today, and thank you for watching our video, and see you on our next video tutorials. Goodbye guys.